Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Avondvierdaagse, a national 4-day walking event. This is how we say Avondvierdaagse. Avondvierdaagse. There is a light emphasis on the first syllable. Avondvierdaagse. A-VOND-VIER-DAAG-SE. Avondvierdaagse. The Avondvierdaagse is held in every city in the Netherlands, with Nijmegen as its center. There, around 45,000 people participate each year. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on Much Dutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!